Tired of getting caught in fake breakouts? The ADX Super Trend strategy helps you filter out market noise and trade only when the trend is actually strong. Here's how it works. You're using two tools, the Super Trend indicator to spot trend direction, and the ADX, Average Directional Index, to confirm the trend's strength. Buy setup. When the Super Trend turns green and the ADX line is above 25, it means the bulls are in control. Enter a long trade. Sell setup. When the Super Trend flips red and ADX is above 25, bears take over. That's your sell signal. If ADX is below 25, skip it. The market's too weak to bother. Pro tip. Always set your stop loss just beyond the Super Trend line. It adapts to volatility, so you're protected without choking your trade. This setup keeps you trading with the trend, not against it. Want the full template and free indicators? Head over to forexmt4indicators.com and download them now.